Welcome to NVK Projects Work and Training Institute. In this video, we discuss about oil skimmer. Let's see the abstract of this project. Recent decades, we made oil spills in ocean that makes huge impact in environment. So we developed economic oil skimmer with high efficiency. Let's see the tool diagram of this project. DC motor is connected with the oil skimmer roller that impels on polluted water. The polluted water is extracted by oil skimmer roller and delivered to the collected oil tank. Let's see the working video of this project.
In our institute, we provide mechanical, automobile, mechatronics, main and mini projects are available here. All over Tamil Nadu, project kit material delivery in 3 days, free online demonstration, online payments available, 100% working delivery. For more details, contact below number. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.